Laingut ki MLA ka Kongres kila rungno syaka National People's Party NPP haka khandai tarik nailar. Kini ki laingut ki MLA ka Kongres ki balawan peniaso syaka NPP ki kentup yau MLA ka Nongstoin constituency ubak Gabriel Waklang, MLA ka Mauhati ubak Charles Marngar, baru MLA ka Umsning constituency u Dr. Celestin Lingdo. Ya kini ki laingut ki MLA la pediang hidau National President ka NPP u Konrad ke Sangma u Menteri Rangba ke Jela ha ke jingdon lang barok kino ya lamba Rangba ka parti ba kentup ki sembut Menteri Rangba uba Presiden Tensong bat uba Snyau Balang Dhar ki Menteri Sorkar ki MLA bat MDC ka NPP ha ke jingya lang ka balalong ha office NPP ha Shillong.
Request Masulawa to please charge Marshal. Please. I request Dr. Khaluki to kindly charge Gabriel.
My heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad Sangma, the Chief Minister of our state Meghalaya, and also the two Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Presiden Tensong, who is also the State President of the NPP, and Sri Snyau Balang Dhar, the Deputy Chief Minister. I'm very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister who is inviting me to join with the National People's Party. I also want to thank all. I'm very sorry I cannot mention my name, but I thank all the ministers, my colleague MLAs from the National People's Party, my colleague MDCs, party workers and friends. My leaders from my constituency, today we're here, selected few leaders. We're coming here to witness this great day. Especially to Dr. Celestin Lingdo and Gabriel Waklang, my colleague MLA in the Congress Party. My deepest appreciation goes to one of the veteran, senior-most leader in the state, who is my mentor, my guru, I should say, Dr. Didi Lapang, whose guidance and mentorship have been invaluable. His encouragement to join the NPP has been a significant factor in my decision. Today, I am delighted to announce that I am not joining this party alone. I'm not joining alone, but as part of a dedicated team from Mawati constituency. This morning, I met with around 1,000 of my leaders, all of whom have shown their support for my decision.